Kokomlemle fan of our street. And I'm Bijina America say Badwam Ahosepe Jumedi in world of entertainment. Nia Echa Guru, a fata when you know assume ya be some more. Smabe Juno. Na ya sorry, so me need Sandra or Hime Ameti Wedge. Me and Adom entertainment. I may a Ghana for you more.
Sister Sunday be a guy.
Wopre right.
We a guy.
Young one seven so. May I show somewhere last week and early this week, you know who said Keche. Mia men call for Keche. Woka Keche now with the Bako Yaka, who's only Bako na Koka Semno. But Akoya group near Yabo Keche, the Andrew Becca, but where Joshua and Koka say Kimpaluta. Omone na yenyum bi wan posti ene ade me sure sa wokai wonkai a me say bobi kakra na obi won muaye e mo musisia.
Some things they funny me. Some things really funny me. You see, this artist where they get one hit, two hits, no respect. Don't they respect? You see, Kimpaluta, why you rich? Why you rich? What type of stupid disrespect is that? Kimpaluta, you do music with Sister Fia. You post and they make videos. You do music with anybody. They post and they do video. You do music with this guy Tulenke. You even meet them do video. When they say they do video, it's beautiful. We do music with you, Kimpaluta. My father. He never post them. Hey, I speak to him team. They tell we say they don't use him page, they post things, and they use Kimpaluta army. Hey, see the way I'm ready to push Wale in song. No respect. Me the funny me. Why you rich? How many hits? Munya two hits, and you make your show like this. You Kimpaluta, we call you, record a song with you. We they talk to you. Charlie bro, you were happy. Charlie bro. We go do video, want to do some lyrics video, some visualizer, do video. We worry you we drop the song. We worry Kimpaluta. We call them back and forth. We need a video from you. Okay, now you now do video, send us. You do video, send us, we post. You never retweet. You never post them. Hey, you get artists like Keche, we feature you. You never post them. You want to disrespect somebody, if you Keche, say, hey, I'm gonna have me too much. So video no more now I'm posting. Media they post. I don't even need them. Hey, you see this disrespect, eh? Make nobody go talk say there is no love in the industry because this one hit two hits people. The disrespect and God they watch you all. Don't worry, God they watch you. Think say you arrive. No. One hit, two hits. Where you catch? One bring one say. Charlie, cut it. And
your cat, Miss Macato, this side. I know na when the shay. A video, no, Miss Onos Wakai, Nan was in BC. Or no, dear, why I mean, said then I won't move because, we can be a man who did assembly be a dear fan. Oh, seriously, I can't say. Won't call her Rabina, and to us what I say.
I sit down, Keche, move, Fabi. Keche mufa bibi mu. Bibi shamuso. Keche mufa bibi mu. If you try with fire, I will go burn you. I sit down. Keche mufa bibi mu. Keche mufa bibi mu. Bibi shamuso. Keche mufa.
Hallelujah, somebody. Hey, agro on. Ewe ye nisu okrum ha. Agro ne do so. Se ade beche. Mo beba nwom ne ama mo airtime no free. Na ya bo ama mo no. Mo so ya de mbese mo ye ni. Huh? Na mo kra mo nyina mo ho ya mesre because mo can about ingratitude and I will be ungrateful. Mo can we. More Ghana artists, about 80%. Yeah, free promo. Femano. Free promo. Emamo. Muti mi bon TV station, yeti mi boni free. Upe interview wa beton ho na mo chemo ho and I made a minty will be great to make catch us. I made an pastor de menya di you by a monument. Now the young post here. Oh, sir. Oh, I see. After that, who's an oh. Hey, so be a man once. Now be a man and ya now. Muni young kuni penram ni bisake de chenko mo catch me say dear. Jelaki industry ni and kaboom. So mam rebre mo ho ase anka mom. Mo ani na ho se me nuani o ye sei mebu no na me so mebu obi adwuma de bia de chi akwan ni ye de beji ehu okrom ha sei ya. Hey. Na de chi amu wi na mo set ne mo nsa e kire alatafo no na hwede omo ye yeso de ahwede ye ni. It's too funny. Na fe why so mro ho ase bia bro ho ase. Now, brother man, when you are manning your day. Oh, I'm going to say that you don't want to move. Okay, say the beer on one was a winning. Mobia and did kakra, Mobia and shake a crack. Now, me say more. Ye free promo, mamma. Ye should show more carbon and need be and catch him so Benjamin 70,000. Dance God Lloyd. What I'm saying, dance God as I'm never press up. I don't may release, you know. Ghana artists maya mankwaleya enwe ye nkwaleya ya samo mo platform a o mabeye nkrofui maya mankwala we kura mpo disrespect ye because the umbeto industry nim no nto mo susu ye bi ti wo de ma me won so nkoma nim because say ma sha black no mo ya by force me ye ye ni bre papa because sa industry nkoma we am pese me di biem ye nto aso Ebiane so yonko abonyo me beka ho asemi wontwia meka wono kwa me nhia ne do ne me nkasa ada ba me ne nanenam na me hu sa wo ye adwuma we are here for the talent ne abo ma ade enchina me mfre Lord Pepper obaka cha me so ontimi sorry anopa but one na lazy omo ye komu kuki bibia me be ya magana fo ahwebi ne mo ye na ya na ya o ya na ya papa but ensa anya ya because ya de ha na ewo o de aze me mpese mebubo din krofobia ye ne ehye na so mo nsa eboa wo nyame adom ene platform Adom TV amaye ye ne ehye na so mo nsa eboa mo those same people wo be from for interview na afi na me boss nyame we be kofi ampedo say hey na ita Sunday akra we nyona abo na nyomo ha Lord Pepper ne na lazy omo de biba ablekuma kra de oya de ayi friend na papa e de say Dr. Pounds a friend na waba but efe we do mo ye na talent ne wo ho na me so anopa ma menyi bi nche Ghana for say na Lord Pepper ne na lazy e cookie to the herba ne nto aso wate fe a bright boom enye wo fe enye wo de nti no say ya na wo thank you na you help me I help you industry no sao but my mo say mo tie akuo e we industry my gang aye ni gang dey ye mo bo ade achi ya wo gang wonka gang we hu a me say obi di ade e broko obi timi ka oh sister we enfama no uniform hallelujah somebody mama nto aso na obi age ni sika ya jiska na bible say enka no kre ekuo ye omo Ghana ye from Gamre sane nkofo bomudin no e wose mo ba abontin be kire ne emamu kire die nti no obi be bonyom na wode ato YouTube die nti no obi be bonyom aye hu promo na bosome be so wama no 150 Ghana na wo fa kire akwa akwa anti muni koto waachi a wo pese wo di waachi ni Philippine wo so okra 90 Ghana na sister ni makeup nkwa yesen na tade nkwa yesen eti ebe pese mo beba be kirem na mama ye mo side of the story because say no as a ban on mobile bonten be ka na anu ya last week obisa ke de ebe kan ne de bisa ke de kwa de am so nya 200 bisa de mo de 50 kan ho ana Selina 150 inti was say na ye bubo mudin ko no executives of Gamu ya besan ke organize on say na sectorial debate no ya besan ke shada je sectorial Gamu debate mamo nanka mu be chire because I don't know cause we hu hia pa o Na se mo mpese mo beba abonten so abechie mu a ye de bi o mo beka ye so ya ba beka bisa kwa dem se mo ma ni buo kakra ye ni 200 but honestly speaking me ade ehia me ne say Ghana for bebre so mo hu how a mo coming up with amount no say oh nipa we be ma no 150 we be ma no 200 mo ye ne say ye be say ye hu ntina me say ye mo me nye sectorial gamro debate oh e bi krampa e bia na nsem mo kekwa na ntesa oh e bi nso amu be ma wo nye sure say ye bete ase mo pa de iti mo mra because they say dimbo na ya ade che na gamro na no kwa me ma me akosua Japan kra fa yae iti mo ba ha na akosua wo phone ne so na Selina ni bisake do mo nsa ka mo royalties now abroach royalties and crofo hwie ene 150 de gamro mo mechirim mo me guidelines no mo nche oh obonyom yehu ha ni patre ne hwe ye check ye be ma ni sei mo ma yehu so that obia better ne ho ase so that it doesn't feel like more disrespect you obi adwuma so that it doesn't feel like yes you disrespect my office we just want to understand hey na ade achi agamro sister hwe na so ma de gold nko a hwe na ho fama ne material cry say ne wig you say ko gym no twa say mama ni pare ho pa o me mama me re ho ai etu de mato amamo nti no me hwe monim say mo beba ti hwe monim o hwe monim bibia nya you can reach out ye okokomlemle joy fm opposite wa mo hwe ya mo be hoyen. Honestly speaking, we are willing to host you in America. Sectorial gamro debates. We are willing. Say airtime no. Mamunchi amomra. We are willing to host you. Just come and explain. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Penny for you, that's it. And at WCW, I am one and only. Mami, wabo ejuma, wabo no homodin. Bonsem efama achre brewer. Now only when you the Mariam. One of the good actresses are Mon fan the flowers man and pay mommy so her me ajo flowers. Or started acting somewhere in the 90s key soap concert party. And onya ro wo mu an onene mu an no te ko ya na 2012 or saba back eberu akuma wudumu. Na mami or you good to the extent say your man ro bayfo a wo no kra ye mehyew. On it me play bayfo a man who say eh bay ye real. And sana osan so play wicked mood no mommy san no pay what you say na nya mento nsan frɛ wo yes say Jill flowers bright boom famano I'm crashing on you are my woman crush we see you de oye nyina ye hu sini a watwen sini a watwa kra da me kasa me kan kra edoso nya me hwa omo ho ban ma wa hoden na koso aye de wo je no you are such a good actress nti anopai de me woman crush no achre brewer Miriama mumbom fama no on sampa ne ho asem say industry kan ko what na asem da what say ma me wo kumpo da what na no kasampo da apart from say wo hwe ni sinimu we are legend we love you nyame sure na me catch you say Ecobanga Joy News Habitat Fair no baba because we a mini fair na ye ne say get a house make it a home koso e wa Accra Mall enchen ho no mo baby powered by the planned city extension project from Cities and Habitats rent to own for no sponsored by Elegant Homes, Safety and Home Solutions, G&J Technical Services, Dev Traco Woodland, DPS Pipes ene wo munyine chane so say started 13th of September equisi 15th September 8 a.m. near Biano to 8 p.m. they be admission is free eti bora odu Accra monche ho na je ho sanso na color party ba bekoso die emu den 28 September o Legon Botanical Gardens honum you fresh for say bra na benunum you fresh be free Jama detergents for so etayechi 28 September Legon Botanical Gardens oni ebusuafo ni nyinambra na ansa na meko international news no hwade bra Ghana fotu kwan a yese mumu bi no musuban obi na eka me de menko ho ntimi nim nhwembra Well, Jale, you never disappoint. Who go UK? What's what koto? And this is why you want to a carousel on this one. Just I would say free the bag. That's also one go free. So no more total bag and a carousel. So is yeah. Won't come out bag and crash and it's a koto. And quite Miss Wa. And Stephanie ma me akua boatema o free pata asasa on dress so e tu kwan ko Spain na ma me ne de keku ekoye nkwan kakwo ma the whole flat yes obi free police say bibi bon eh ma chale we dey am say quarter bag ma quarter full package we ready me chrome for I am on to boate na no kwade mu so obi ma ne waduro US abontin so ne backyard o si Everybody, kakon kwan. I was Spain, Madrid. And obi free police say flat ni na bon. Emi so obi awi she ho. Omo ba na Ghana ni na bon kwan. Kako wate. Mama me kwa Nigeria na. TG Omori na say no yare a ne ho fa ne kakra ne ajeade. Na ani je sem ne say ono ne bra ni mpon. I donate ni kidney ba akode ama no. Nti nyame adom oyo okay I will receive treatment. Na wo hwe me by na wo bisa ho se na me yare a me nua be ne be yi obi anyi ma me nti mepon well be Kofi Ampedu ya me director asantewa enso twa me gumu echi ho a wo director me kama Richard Akwa a cinematographer bright big up yourself wig na shemin wig hair logistics GH makasa sane abaya no me ne hwia bomu no Jesus okasa adwuma no wajaye because you're very good at what she does or Malcolm Dine chi ho hachu Malcolm Dine chi ho no mo a we hair logistics GH and our Instagram TikTok ya di bia gugu ho kona ko select de wo pe na e de delivery ni bibia the number e da ho na hwehwe no hair logistics I'm rocking it baby thank you I'm the guys queen nyame Adom a same time if you ada ya new elections headquarters kokromoti power ye pa hon toma across your sister stations ningi na 7 a.m. ni ahase aka just 100 days to election ye yi ba ku fa aka 99 days kan ye ho ni anya countdown in famo isan say yen ye no election headquarters kokromoti power macrao